Hi there, my name is Sabrina and I'm excited to share with you an awesome new skincare device from Nu Skin. It's called Age Lock Boost and it uses microcurrent technology, which has been the best thing ever for my skin. I'm seeing more brightness and my skin seems more alive, I think is the best way to describe it. So I decided to make this video to show you how it works. Hope you like it. When you order Age Lock Boost, you get the device and a charger. And this amazing product, Age Lock Boost Activating Treatment, which does two things. One, it conducts the microcurrents, and two, it provides incredible ingredients to the skin. I'm talking powerful ingredients that help brighten, hydrate, and plump, as well as zoom in on aging. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I've already finished cleansing and toning my face, and now I'm ready to use my Age Lock Boost. After cleansing and toning your face, dry your hands before you pick up the device. And then, turn on the device by swiping your finger all the way up like this. As you turn it on, it gently vibrates and lights up. Now, dispense 3 drops, 1, 2, 3, on the device right here. And then dab it or spread it evenly over one half of your face like this, similar to how you might dab on your foundation before you begin blending it in. You'll treat one half of your face for 1 minute, add more activating treatment, and then the other half for another minute, for a total of 2 minutes only. That's it. Okay, now you'll swipe up the device again, and using slow upward, outward motions, move the device over half of your face, keeping constant contact with your skin. As you're gliding it around, you can focus on any areas you're concerned about. It's called Variable Pulse Microcurrent, which is exclusive to Nu Skin. This unique waveform is great for optimizing your complexion every day. Okay, it's been 1 minute, so the device will pause automatically, which gives me time to apply 3 more pumps to the treatment head, and then dab it around on the other side of my face. To begin treatment, I just swipe back up, and while I'm using the same slow, smooth motions upward and outward, keeping constant contact, the microcurrents and activating treatment are doing good things. Oh, I'm going to interrupt myself and say if you ever need to pause the device during treatment, simply swipe down the touch surface like this. When you're ready to restart, just swipe back up. Alright, it's been a minute, so the device has turned itself off automatically. So now I'm going to gently pat or massage any excess activating treatment and bring it down to my neck. Then, I rinse off the treatment head to remove any residue and wipe it dry. From this point, I just continue with my normal skincare regimen. Apply my favorite serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen, and I'm good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. When you can, get your own Age Lock Boost. You'll love it.